Hello everyone, my name is Apinan and today I will be showing off my project, Decentralized Bank. Uh, this project is about using the scaffold ETH template to test and use functions from contracts written in Solidity to interact with predefined local blockchain, which scaffold ETH provides using Hardhat. And you have the ability to deploy it and use it with the front end. So if we go into our project, we can start the chain. We can start the front end, and then we can also deploy our contract. And now that we have our front end, we can grab some funds from the faucet. It should appear in our balance, and once we have that, we can test out the functions. So what we want to do is we could deposit some funds to an address. So let me take my address for example. We can deposit 100,000 WETH. We can send that, and then we have the transaction sent, and we could also check the balance over here of how much we have. The set purpose came with the scaffold ETH. We could also transfer funds from one account to another. So in this case, I could just transfer to my account 100,000. This will basically just reroute it back to my account. We can check the balance and still at 100,000. And we could also withdraw funds. So if I was to take out funds from my account, we can send a withdraw request. And I guess we don't have enough balance, so we could remove this. We could send. We could send a lesser amount, and then once we request, we would have this much. So now let's hop over to the back end. Now in our contracts, this is my contract that I developed for the functions. We have the transfer functions, deposit functions, withdraw functions, and I'm also implementing a borrow functions, which I plan to implement using Aave or Compound protocol. And over here in the single swap, this is basically implementation to use the V3 Uniswap example to be able to swap funds, which I integrated, which I imported up here, and I also use the Uniswap integration one. This is the V1 Uniswap integration, so I'm able to provide functionality using creating exchanges, buying, and also adding liquidity. And I also called it, so I inherited into my contract, and users are able to call functions from that as the constructor already sets up the factory address as it's provided here.